Self-check activity. You have a 14-year-old cat patient. On physical examination, you determine that the cat appears to be about 7% dehydrated. The cat weighs 7.5 pounds. Your supervisor has provided a helpful step-by-step worksheet for you. Given that 1 pound is approximately 0.45 kilogram, the 7.5 pound cat is blank kilograms. How to solve it? 1 pound is approximately 0.45 kilograms. Therefore, 7.5 pounds times 0.45 kilograms is equal to 3.375 or 3.38 kilograms. Given the cat's weight in kilograms, 7% dehydration means that it needs about blank kilograms of fluids to be replaced. How to solve it? 1 kilogram is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Therefore, 3.38 kilograms times 0.07 or 7% is equal to 0.2366 or 0.24 kilograms. The weight of fluids that needs to be replaced converts to blank liters in volume or blank milliliters. How to solve it? 1 kilogram is equal to 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Therefore, 0.24 kilograms is equal to 0.24 liters or 240 ml.